Hi, Dan from dansdomain.ca here. In our previous video, we set up a ProcessWire website with the classic site theme. Now, ProcessWire is a content management system, and we're going to get into using it. But before we do, this video is going to cover a little error that appears for most people, at least everyone I've seen, that installs ProcessWire for the first time. And it's called a locale error. So first of all, we're going to go back into our site. We were looking at this in the last video. This is where we've got the ProcessWire classic site theme set up. It's not customized. It looks pretty ugly and bright, in my opinion. So I'm going to turn on my dark theme so my eyes don't burn out of my skull from this website. And I know it kind of messes up the colors, but we're going to be changing those anyway eventually, just not in this video. So go back to the ProcessWire 3.x installer tab that we were at before in the last video. And you're going to want to click Login to Admin this time. Now you're going to enter your username, and you're going to enter the password that you set up when you were creating the site. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. When you log in, you might see another message above this, but you're definitely going to see this one. It's going to be brown background if you're in dark mode. Let's see what color it is if you're not in dark mode. Oh, it's going to be orange. That's okay. I think I'll turn that off because it's burning my eyes out. Now, set locale, LC all, blah, blah, blah. You need that line. Where do you put it? Well, select it, copy it, go into cPanel, scroll down to Files, click File Manager, go into your subdirectory, your subdomain. So mine is newsite.dansdomain.ca. Don't go into public HTML. That's your live site. Unless you decided to make this your live site, then go in there. But I made this my newsite.dansdomain.ca, so I'm going in there. It instructed us to go into site, and there's config.php. So right-click config.php, click edit. All right, so cPanel comes up with our file contents. So we don't want to edit most of this. We just want to put in one line. Don't change most of this file. It was auto-generated for us when we went through that wizard in the last video. So I'm going to paste in the one line that we copied just a moment ago. Set locale, LC all, English US, UTF-8 characters. Okay? Put that as the second line in this file. You don't need to worry about the rest of it. Don't even look at the rest of it. Just hit Save Changes in the top right corner. There, it's saved. Now, let's, for the sake of things, just close it because we don't want to edit it any further and we don't want to make a typo in it or anything. Now, if we go back to our administrative page for ProcessWire, okay, we'll hit refresh. And the error is gone. Perfect. That's all I want to make this video about. I want to keep it nice and short. The next video will be about customizing the look and feel of ProcessWire and fixing issues with it when it resizes in the browser on a desktop or laptop. We'll get to smartphone stuff later. All right, thank you very much for watching and have a great day.